Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. So let's get started. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you're logging into your account. Then from there, you have to go to the trade or convert. So on the screen, on the home screen, tap the trade or find the convert option in your Binance account and choose the USD as the currency you want to convert from. Then after that, you have to choose the USDT as the currency you want to receive. Then type the amount of USD you want to convert. Then check the rate and confirm no unexpected fee. Make sure you confirm if there are no expected fee. And after that, you have to tap to confirm or convert. To finalize the transaction, then your USDT will now appear in your Bybit account. And that's the simplest method on how to convert USD to USDT in Bybit. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks.